They said there'll be snow at Christmas.
Hello there, welcome to Inkquiring Minds. My name is Doug and I'm back with another fountain pen review. And Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrate. And Narwhal made me a very happy fellow this Christmas when they sent me a box of not one, not two, but 3 Narwhal pens. I wrote to them when the limited edition 365 anniversary titanium plongeur came out, asking for one for review, but I didn't hear back. Then after finding out they were completely sold out of the 365 they had made, I got a note from Patrick at Narwhal saying he was sending me one, even though they were sold out, because they were very proud of this model and wanted to show it off. Plus he was going to send me a Christmas surprise in this Narwhal Nautilus Xmas 2024 special edition. I was surprised and pleased and told him, "Thank you very much. Oh, and by the way, did you know that the Eclipse you sent me fell apart?"
Lucky I didn't tell him about the dirty knife.
He apologized and said it was a known issue and added a new Narwhal Eclipse to the box. Isn't that fantastic? You'll see the 365 anniversary titanium plongeur coming up real soon. But let's take a look at this delicious Narwhal Nautilus Christmas Edition 2024 right now. So this arrived in my door today. Let's open it up. Woohoo, it's full of stuff. There's one piece of stuff. There's another piece of stuff. And yet another piece of stuff. Here is the replacement, I think, for my Eclipse. And so which one should we look at first? And this is the Narwhal Nautilus Christmas 2024 special edition. And let's open it up. Slide off the sleeve. And here we go. There's Narwhal silver foil stamped into the top. And there's a magnetic clasp there. We open it up. We have a card that has Narwhal and some filling instructions and warranty information. And here is the pen. There we go. I looked at the photos of this pen when Patrick said he was sending it, and I thought, okay, Christmas colors. I did not expect this kind of deep, chatoyant, sparkling resin. Look at that turned acrylic. Thanks go out to Patrick at Narwhal for providing this pen for review and as a really nice early Christmas present. I'll show the parts and features of this pen, show some size comparisons and measurements, and then provide a writing sample. And then I'll talk about what I like and what I don't like so much about this fountain pen. I've reviewed the Narwhal Nautilus before, and you can see that video by clicking right up here. So the only thing that is different on this edition is the acrylic finish. But oh, what a difference that makes. Let's just take a moment and enjoy this pen porn eye candy, shall we? Look at that. Have you all been good boys and girls? I hope so, because in celebration of the holiday season and the fact that I've surpassed 19,000 subscribers, I'm going to give this very special edition fountain pen away to one of you. All you have to do is be a subscriber, which costs nothing, and leave a comment below telling me what your New Year's fountain pen resolution is for 2025. You have until Tuesday, December 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific Time to add your comment, at which point I will randomly select a winner and let the winner know by answering the comment, posting the winner's name on the community tab of my YouTube channel, and by posting a pinned comment to this video. So 3 ways you're going to be contacted. The winner has 48 hours from the announcement to contact me by email at inkquiringminds@gmail.com with your name and your address so I can send you your prize pen. If I don't get a response, I'll select another winner. Or maybe I'll just keep this pen. So think about your resolutions while we look at this gorgeous pen. Overall, the Nautilus is a tube-shaped large piston filler with gold-plated hardware and a Christmas tree-shaped clip in chrome with a gold star. And it has 3 porthole ink windows. From the top, we see the gold domed finial. Hi there. And the cap is straight to the gold metal cap band. The cap band has a swirling C motif decoration with Narwhal spelled out twice. And the Christmas tree shaped clip is surprisingly springy and usable. There's a very slight step down to the barrel, which is straight to a gold metal ring, which separates the barrel from the piston knob. and there's the rounded end of the piston knob. And the porthole ink windows are ringed in gold metal. The cap unscrews with 1.5 turns to reveal the thick tapering acrylic section with a small flare towards the number 6 size steel narwhal medium nib and black plastic feed. And the nib and the feed are part of a nib assembly which unscrews from the section for swapping or maintenance. The cap threads here are smooth and unobtrusive, and the section is a good size. The pen is very comfortable and thick in the hand, and the cap does not post. The inside of the cap shows a step milled into it that meets up with the top of the section to seal the nib from evaporation. The Narwhal Nautilus Xmas 2024 sells for $192.10 US and has 7 nib options: EF, F, M, B, 1.1 stub, and fine and medium in 14 karat gold for an extra $181.62 US. I'm quoting these prices from the Applebaum website where these pens are still in stock. Now let's look at some size comparisons. And here is the Narwhal Nautilus Xmas 2024 with a Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0 piston filler in Stardust, a Delta DV 2.0 piston filler, a Magna Carta 650 limited edition, and a Bennu Euphoria World Dracula Day. Talk about mixing our holidays. Now let's look at them posted. And here they are posted. Of course, the Nautilus does not post. Now let's look at them unposted. And here they are unposted. They're all a decent size when they're unposted. Now let's look at some measurements, and I'll be back with a writing sample. And we're back with the writing portion of the review. This is Clairefontaine 90 GSM paper, and this is the Narwhal N, Doug, that's an N. Okay, forget, we'll start over again. And we're back with the writing portion of the review. And this is the Narwhal, spelled just the way it sounds, Nahvalur, pronounced Narwhal, Nautilus, Christmas. Actually, on the box it says Xmas. I know a lot of people hate that. 2024. And it has a number 6 size steel medium nib. Let's check the wetness. It's very, very wet indeed. And the nib is smooth with a bit of feedback. Just a touch of feedback, which is very nice. But this nib is displaying signs of, as you see some skips there. See that? That's a characteristic of baby's bottom. Because once it gets flowing, it's not a problem, but it's the downstrokes that have issue. And this is a really easy fix for those of you that have a set of micro mesh pads. You can buy these sets very inexpensively at Amazon, and it's inexpensive in comparison to sending the nib to a Nibmeister for this easy fix. You can see a video on how to do this yourself by clicking right up here. But I'm going to fix this one in fast motion for you. There we go. No issues whatsoever now. And it's a lot smoother. I've sort of polished out that feedback. Very smooth. So whoever wins this pen, you're welcome. And what is the ink in this pen, you may ask? And well, you may. I looked through some Christmassy inks and decided on the December 25th ink from my Inkvent calendar from a couple of years ago. It might have been last, no, I think it was 2 years ago. This is Diamine Best Wishes, or Diamine Best Wishes, depending on where you're from. As to line variation, well, there's not a lot to be had here. This is a fairly stiff nib. And the line this nib makes is 0.6 millimeters, which ends up being a Western medium or a Japanese medium to broad. And for our quote. And for some reverse writing, well, it's okay now because while I was doing that baby's bottom fix, I turned it over and polished out the reverse side as well, and it's keeping up very nicely. And for some quick writing, very, very wet, and that feed is keeping up even with the shimmer in that ink. So what do I like and what do I not like about this fountain pen? I wasn't so fond of the clip on this pen when I saw it in photos, but in person it isn't that conspicuous or ostentatious, and it's actually very practical, so that's good too. But it's the acrylic resin on this pen that's truly spectacular. I can't get over how all of the silver, gold, reds, and greens radiate from this sparkly, chatoyant resin. It's just gorgeous. I have the usual caveats about the Nautilus model not posting, but this is a truly spectacular pen for those who want to mark the Christmas season. How could you not smile if you found this amazing fountain pen under your tree?
My tree! So what's the matter with you?
The nib had some small baby's bottom issue that I solved very easily, and now it's a terrific writer. So if you want this fountain pen for Christmas, leave a comment below and watch this space to see if Santa Doug announces your name on Christmas Eve. Good luck to all of you, and thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.